I'm all the way up. All the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. What you want, show it what you need. My niggas run the game, we ain't never leave. Counting up this money, we ain't never sleep. You got V12, I got 12 V's. Got bottles, got weed, got my. I'm all the way up. Shorty, what you want, I got what you need. Shorty, what you want, I got what you need. Shorty, what you want, I got what you need. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. All the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. For my niggas who barely cruising Rolexes, kick the bitch out the room and gave her no breakfast. Had to stash the jewels, these bitches so reckless. Keep my hoes on cruise, I'm cooking naughty. Out town, showing off for new things. Couldn't take it all, so I gave her change. She called me top shot, so yeah, I keep a few things. Choppy out sound, yeah, I got a few rings. And I'm all the way up. And you can stay up. And if you ask anybody where I live, they point to the hills and say, go all the way up. Go all the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
A big house to a bigger house. Ain't have a girlfriend, but the bitch is out. Chanel crop back, shit ain't even out. With the gold chains, Himalayan Birkin, cocaine lit it up. Pop shit, I hit him up, I'm talking color money. Purple yin and blue germ, I got brown lira. I ain't talking about Ross, bitch, I'm that nigga on Viagra dick. That means I'm on the way up. And you can stay up. Beyoncé, I can't get high on that. Got the Uber instead. Go all the way up. Go all the way up. I'm all the way up.
And in first place with a score of 9.225, Riley. All right, superstars, salute. Congratulations. And in first place with a score of 8.75 from IGM, Riley. Gymnast salute. Congratulations, friends.
Good job, Riley.
In second place, Riley.
Riley.
And in first place with a score of 9.125 from IGM, Oakley. Go ahead and salute, gymnasts. There you go. Congratulations, friends. In second place, Riley. And in first place with a score of 9.625 from IGM. Gymnast salute. Congratulations. Riley, you're in second.
Woo!
And in first place with an all-around score of 36.4, Oakley. All right, gymnasts, one more salute for everybody. Nice job, level 3. Congratulations.